Hi, hello, namaste friend. Today we are making another Diwali special recipe, Rava Laddu. Here you can see how deliciously it is done. Very smooth and awesome in a taste. Guys, welcome to my channel, Pallavi's Paradise. Please take a time, do watch my recipes guys. Please subscribe, like and share my recipes if you like guys. Come let's see the recipe. Here I need half cup of rava. First we need to roast it properly and later we will add ghee to it. Like this we need to roast it. Now I will add ghee in it. We need half cup of ghee. Slowly we will add ghee in it. Mix with suji or rava like this. Again I am adding ghee in it. Mix it properly guys. This laddu is going to be very smooth in the mouth. I definitely tell you guys. Now I am adding sugar powder and mix it properly. No need to worry about sugar syrup measurement. I am going to tell you guys this is the best way to make a laddu properly and very smooth laddu. Make sure guys rava and sugar powder should mix it properly. Please you try this recipe for this Diwali and let me know in the comment box. Now I am adding ghee in it. The leftover ghee I am adding. Roast it with sugar and rava. Mix it well. Just tap on it like this and I am going to switch off the flame and cover with a lid and leave for 1 hour. Please do watch my videos. Covering with a lid and switching off the flame and leave this for 1 hour. I will open this lid after 1 hour. It is all set guys. Now I am adding to the mixer jar. Grind it and it will leave ghee like this. Here I am adding one more ingredient, milk powder. Add to this mixture and mix it properly. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of milk powder for smoothness and make a laddu like this. You can see how I am making laddus. Roll and roll guys. It will going to be a very delicious and very smooth laddus. Check it guys. This is the proper way to make a smooth and delicious laddus. You can see it. And here I am all set to serve like this. Then Rava laddu is ready. Garnish with some badam or some kishmish. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching guys. Make this laddu for this Diwali. Thank you so